Enter the website. You can set the website to Chinese or English. Click the Visualize Your Code button. You can paste your own code in the code area. Currently, 3 languages are supported: JavaScript, Python, and C++. Support for C++ is currently limited and will be gradually improved in the future. Of course, you can also click Example Codes to select a code example and quickly view the visualization effect. You can use the buttons below to control the execution steps of the code: Previous, Next, Reset, and Autoplay. On the right side, you can adjust the speed of the animation. You can zoom in and out of the visualization area. You can jump to any step freely. You can also hover over the step label and drag left or right to quickly navigate. There is a very useful feature in Staying called Annotation Config. Although only 4 configurations are currently available, more will be added in the future. Annotation Config allows you to customize the visualization effect, giving you full control over how your code is visualized. Simply put, Annotation Config is a special type of comment added in specific locations with a specific format. For example, the Ad Hist annotation. Normally, when your code contains a one-dimensional array, the visualization will display each element as a numbered block. However, when you add the Ad Hist annotation at the top of the code and specify the corresponding array name, the array will be visualized as a histogram. The @ignore function tree annotation changes the visualization in another way. Generally, when there are function calls in your code, Staying will display the function call process in a tree structure. However, sometimes this feature may not be needed, especially when dealing with algorithms related to trees themselves. Confused? Let us look at this binary tree example. If we visualize it directly, we get this result. As you can see, each recursive call creates a new branch in the visualization. But this might not be the effect we want. In this case, we can try the @ignore function tree annotation. When we add this annotation above the corresponding function and run the code again, the visualization becomes like this. This is exactly the effect we want. The tree structure of function calls is no longer displayed. Instead, all calls are visualized within a single area, allowing us to see the nodes moving on the same tree. With the article feature, you can easily create interactive articles. Generally, articles support Markdown format, but we also allow the insertion of visualizable code blocks. Click the Edit Code Block button to add one or more code blocks. Once added, a visualization component will appear above your article. You can click the titles above to switch between different code blocks. An important feature is the ability to add jump buttons. You can type the @ symbol in the editing area, and in the pop-up options, select the code block and step number in sequence. After creation, you will see that it becomes a button in the article preview. You can click this button to jump to the specified step. The website also has many other interesting features, such as downloading the visualization image of the current step, sharing your visualizable code, and more. Currently, The website is maintained by me personally. As a working professional, my time and energy are limited, so the website still has many shortcomings and areas for improvement. Thank you very much for using this website. If you discover any bugs or would like to provide suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click the feedback button in the website menu bar and send your valuable suggestions.